Question 1. Which microorganisms are used for production of beverages? The correct answer is option A, yeast. Question 2. Example of wine producing bacteria. The correct answer is option D, all. Acetobacter cerevisiae, Lactobacillus buscheri and Lactobacillus hilgardi are the wine producing bacteria. Question 3. Which of the following organic acid produced by E. coli? The correct answer is option D, all. Buffered propionic acid, butyric acid, malic acid are the organic acid produced by E. coli. Question 4. Formic acid producing bacteria are? The correct answer is option A, Salmonella. Question 5. Which of the following enzyme is used for production of alcohol? The correct answer is option D, all. Amylase, cellulase, pectinase are the enzymes which used for production of alcohol. Question 6. Which microbes are used for production of alcohol? The correct answer is option D, all. Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus species, Aspergillus aureus which are the microbes used for the production of alcohol. Question 7. Which microbes is used for removal of starch? The correct answer is option A, Aspergillus niger is used for removal of starch. Question 8. Which microorganisms are used for production of ethanol? The correct answer is option D. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for the production of ethanol. Question 9. Match the correct one. The correct answer is option D, all. Acetic acid, Acetobacter, gluconic acid produced by Aspergillus niger and kojic acid produced by Aspergillus flavus. Question 10. A protein extracted from pure culture of microorganism is called? The correct answer is option B, single cell protein. Question 11. Which of the following fermentation method is used for production of citric acid? The correct answer is option D, all. Surface fermentation, submerged fermentation and solid state fermentation are the method used for production of citric acid. Question 12. How many days require citric acid production in submerged fermentation? The correct answer is option C, 5 to 14 days is required for submerged fermentation in citric acid production. Question 30. Which of the following fermentation process is also known as Koji process? The correct answer is option C, solid state fermentation process is also known as Koji process. Question 14. Which of the following factor affect the citric acid production? The correct answer is option D, all. Temperature, aeration, trace element, which are the factors that affect the citric acid production. Question 15. Which of the following pathway is used for production of propionate? The correct answer is option A. Methyl CoA pathway is used for production of propionate. Question 16. Which of the following raw material is used for production of alcohol? The correct answer is option D, all. Agriculture waste, maize, potatoes and molasses are the raw material used for the production of alcohol. Question 70. Which of the following pre-treatment required for production process of alcohol? The correct answer is option D all. Hydrolysis, clarification and filtration are which are the pre-treatment required for production or process of alcohol. Question 18. In which type fermentation all medium components and inoculum are added at beginning? The correct answer is option C, batch fermentation. Batch fermentation. In batch fermentation, all medium component and inoculum are added at the beginning. Question 90. In which of the following column the main product is drawn off from the top side of the column? The correct answer is option A, pre-rectifier column. Question 20. Which of the following are byproduct of alcohol fermentation? The correct answer is option D all. Yeast, biomass, distillery effluents and carbon dioxide are the byproducts of alcohol fermentation.